Hey guys, this is Kartik and you're watching pktechnotips. In this video, I will be showing you how can you make your computer talk using a simple Visual Basic code. You can get the code from description down below. Before continuing, make sure you subscribe our channel to support us. So let's start now. So just open Notepad or Sublime Text application and type this code. You can copy code from description to have the exit code. Don't make any mistake else application won't run. So just save the file with .vbs extension to any directory you want. So you can allocate the file easily later on. Let's say downloads. Give it a name of your choice. Now go and open the file you just saved. This is the name of the application. You can change it also. This is message. You can change it as well. Type your text in the text box and hit enter. Your computer will speak that for you.
pktechnotips. Hey there, how are you?
You can also use copy and paste like this.
pktechnotips is a YouTube channel focusing on various aspects of technology. You can get the most amazing and cool stuff here.
Okay friends, if you like this video, please like and share with your buddies. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.